Just a very quick follow-up on my video from a couple of days ago about the Triumph scrolling LED indicators that I attempted to install. Link to that video in the description. If you remember, each of the four indicators was working okay in pairs, left and right, but the hazard warning lights were flashing too quickly for some reason, like this. Now, I ordered a set of inline resistors from Amazon and fitted them this morning, and nothing worked at all. No left or right indicators and no hazard warning lights. Okay, I thought, now the resistors are in, I need to tell the ECU that I'm now running incandescent bulbs so that it can push through a bit more power. I knew there was a way of doing this on the Speed Twins limited menu display, but having never needed the function before, I couldn't remember how, so like all qualified YouTube mechanics, I googled it and came across what looked like a very simple set of instructions to avoid the Hyperflash. So here's the procedure. Press and hold the I button, then switch on the ignition while continuing to hold down the button. Wait for the dial sweep, etc., and after a few seconds the word type appears in the small LCD screen. Now there are 5 settings which can be cycled through by pressing the I button. I had been on type 4 as I had the factory non-scrolling plastic housing LEDs. The instructions said that for the scrolling LEDs I needed to be on type 2. Fair enough, I tried that and bingo! Everything is now working as it should, left and right indicators separately and all 4 together when the hazard switch is depressed. So conclusion, you do not need any extra resistors or relays, just a 30-second adjustment to the ECU via the switches. Thanks to all of you who left suggestions in the comments section after my previous video. If I'd known what the solution was and how easy it was, I would obviously have waited and included it in that video, but I have left an edit comment in the description with a link to this follow-up, so hopefully people will see it. Thanks for watching. See you in a few days for a review of the new Tiger 900.